Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this pretty sweet looking electric bug zapper. So it's a circle bug zapper. It is 3,000 volts. I feel bad for any mosquito, any fly that goes in here. Poor little thing's not gonna know what hit him. Alright guys, so you get a cleaning brush and you get a manual inside the packaging, but this is it. So it's ABS plastic on the outside. You twist the top to get to the bulb. So the bulb does look like it is replaceable if you ever need to replace it. And make sure you twist this back on. Make sure this is turned off when you access any part of this. So, okay. So it looks like you can actually hang it. So the little strap came out here. So it can be hung just like this, or you can have it setting down just like this. So it can be setting. That's pretty cool. Two different options. Oh, you know what? I wonder. Okay. Okay, so I got it. So it looks like that bay that we talked about, that actually does access the light, but it also does access, you know, the tray where the bugs are dead. So let's say you have a setting like this and the bugs are collecting on the bottom. You know, you can, it's big enough you can actually dump it out like that, but you also can take this off and dump them out as well. So that's kind of like a double access panel in a way. Let's go ahead and plug this in and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is it. It just lights up fluorescent. It's like a blue color, and it's activated as soon as you plug it in. So you're gonna wanna, there's no, from what I see, there's no on-off switch. I will double check the manual and then add that in if there is, but it doesn't look like there's an on and off switch at all. So once you plug it in, it's ready to zap some suckers. So make sure you unplug it when you're done using it. But yeah, we'll test it out. It gets way past my bedtime is when it gets dark, but we'll try and test it out. Alright guys, this is it outside at night. So this is what it looks like. So we are using just a regular power battery here to run it outside. You'll probably have to use an extension cable. So I'm not sure if there's any bugs outside tonight. So there's something right at it. That's a spider. So anyway, yeah, that's what it looks like.